How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 71 Nova. It's done in its original Mulsanne Blue. Super slick paint on this car. Straight as an arrow down the sides. They added the cowl hood scoop to it. Just a good look. It's got the SS badging and everything. It's got a 383 in it, a 350 trans. Super clean car. Original panels on the car. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun's kind of coming and going today. Bumpers look real nice. They are the original bumpers, and they're very good condition. All the window trim and stainless is real nice. Super slick, straight down the sides. Got a set of Krieger Street Stars on it. It's got disc brakes up front, power steering. Now this is the 383. It's got a set of Dart Iron Eagle heads on it. Got your power steering and your power disc. It's a little aging on the front bumper, but it's nice. Grill and everything looks really nice. Got headers and the 3-inch dual exhaust. And the 350 turbo trans, 12-bolt posi rear. You see how nice the door is? Super clean car. These are the original door panels. They look like new. Dash all looks real nice. Headliner's been replaced. Super tight and nice. Seat covers all been redone. And the blue on blue I really like. Just looks good together. It's got all tinted glass. Trunk all looks real nice in the car. Got the original spare and jack. Comes with a car cover. It's kind of a shame the sun keeps coming and going. Nice tack on the column. AM/FM cassette stereo in it. It's got your trio of gauges. It's got all new carpet in it. It's just a super nice car. And I tell you, door panels being original, really good condition. Almost look new. It's got new weather stripping in it. We'll fire this thing up. Fires right up, got a nice cam. Sounds real good out the exhaust. 3-inch exhaust. It's got turbo mufflers instead of flows. Backup lights, everything works. It's got 12-volt posi in it. You can check out our complete inventory, rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.